Hey YouTubes, Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. We're here up on the sweet sun deck. Let's check it out. Of course, you're never far from your favorite beverage. Got lots of seating up here on the sweet sun deck. Got more seating over here. And yes, we're actually behind the water slides. Look at this. Check this out. We're here at the water slides. Isn't that cool? And you can see down into Central Park there. Great views. Oh, a little breezy here. But yeah, look at this. All the seating here. Got these cool chairs, sunbeds. This water slide here, like this big bowl. You go down in here, spin around, and then sit at the center, get flushed. Oh, okay. Just in case? Okay. All right, there you are. Want to wave? There. All right. Morning. It's funny how you meet such friendly people, some nice people on a cruise ship. You get good views into the solarium. Up here at the front part of the sweet sun deck, you have these casitas. Look at this. This is such a nice place to hang out. Look at this. That is so nice. Nice breeze too. As we go this way, over to the port side of the ship, see one of these weird shower things. There's one of these on the starboard side as well. But yeah. Cool shower thing. And here we are back where we started. Hopefully you like this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.